Welcome to HairStyle USA, the toughest hairdressing talent show on television.
HairStyle will take you to the next level.
You have been selected from hundreds of professionals from all over the USA, and this group could not be better.
You will become the stylist of the moment. But I'm sorry to say, the dream will only come true for one of you.
And the time begins now!
Oh my God, I'm so excited.
I'm a little bit stressed.
I'm gonna add a little drama with this feather.
This just only began.
I feel I work better under pressure.
You're stressing me out.
We seek the best. We seek excellence.
I can't. Oh my God.
You are in real danger. You have to do a great job.
I'm sweating. Now I'm running out of time.
Ah!
I can't do this.
Having fun, are you?
Oh my goodness, I'm so nervous.
Will be harder and harder every single time.
Ah!
You have everything under control.
I don't know about that.
Ooh la la, ooh la la, so pretty.
We want to find the best hairdresser in the country.
Yes.
The winner of HairStyle USA is